So guys, what we will be looking at for today is GBP USD. So let's sit on the 4 hour time frame. So before we actually go ahead, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Like, share, also follow us on Telegram if you are not yet following us. Make sure you follow us on Telegram. I'll be watching out for you. So when we see this GBP USD, we can clearly see that this was literally an uptrend move. So this is just like a correction movement. You can see it. Price is actually giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now the next movement we'll be expecting is another impulse move to the upside on GBP USD. Now let's see this movement. As you can see, this is our trend. So price is still trading below our trend, and it looks that price wants to break above the trend. So once we see that price breaks above it, then we can now look to take our buy, which I believe price will break above this trend. So I'll be expecting price to break above this trend on GBP USD. So if price can just come probably to a level of 1.27, yes, we should be looking for a buy. Currently we are trading at 1.26. We will be getting close to 1.27. So once we can get to 1.27, then we should see that GBP USD breakout and come to take this ice. That should be giving us, once we can take this ice, then the next level we'll be aiming for will be this ice. So basically GBP USD, we are on a bullish move. So price is correcting a more impulse move, sharp one movement. Sharp movements will play now very soon. A correction, then another movement upward on GBP USD. So watch out for it.